In this video, I'm going to show you how to install door sill protectors in your Ford Bronco Sport. Now everyone gets a little bit of mud, dirt, rocks on the bottom of their shoes, and when you get in and out of your vehicle, you can scratch up the paint, and if the paint gets scratched, you can also get some rust starting in that area. So we're going to put on protectors that's going to look cool and protect your vehicle. Inside this passenger door area, there's nothing protecting the door sill. So before you install your door sill protector, you want to make sure you clean this really good. That's what the door sill protector looks like. It's kind of a carbon fiber look, and I have the Bronco colored the same color as the vehicle. Now sometimes you only have to cut these down, like I had to cut 1 inch off the ends because it was just too long. I just have it laying in there as a dry fit. So now I'm going to peel the back off and stick it on, and then kind of smooth it out with a credit card. Then to help yourself line this up, I put a little piece of painter's tape on there so that when I peel off the back protector, I could put the door sill protector back on exactly where I had it. Use a credit card or something plastic. You can work out any of the air bubbles this way. I like to kind of start in the middle and work my way to the ends. Alright, so the passenger side rear is also done. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the driver's side. That's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple and easy to install those door sill protectors. A lot of times you have to cut them down to fit a little bit. They're pretty much a universal fit. You can get them off eBay and Amazon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.